To install your Verizon Fios router, first ensure you have the necessary hardware: a Verizon Fios Quantum Gateway router, an Ethernet cable, and a coaxial cable if you have TV or phone service. Confirm that your home has a working Verizon ONT, the optical network terminal that connects to Verizon's fiber network. Begin by unpacking the router and connecting it to a power source. Then, connect the fiber cable from the ONT to the router's WAN port. If you have TV or phone service, connect the coaxial cable to the router. Power on the router. It will automatically sync with Verizon's network. Look for solid white LEDs to indicate a successful internet connection. Most new Fios installations can be completed without professional help due to simplified processes and pre-configured equipment. Once the router is connected, configure your Wi-Fi settings using either the router's web interface at 192.168.1.1 or the MyFios app. Create a unique SSID or network name and a strong password. Enable WPA3 encryption for enhanced security. You can also set up a guest network for visitors. To optimize performance, run speed tests using tools like Ookla or Verizon's built-in tools to verify your speeds. Enable quality of service, or QoS, to prioritize devices and ensure smooth performance for important activities. For advanced options, configure parental controls or set up port forwarding for gaming. The MyFios app supports automated diagnostics and remote troubleshooting. Recent trends include integrating with smart home devices via Alexa or Google Home and using mesh networking to eliminate dead zones in larger homes.